I think my reading started when I was very young. I think I started reading a newspaper when I was 6 years old. I could
Oh.
read a newspaper. So my parents encouraged me to read. I encouraged my children to read, and they've encouraged their children to read. I think the earlier you start reading, the better.
Hmm.
I think that's most important. And if parents don't read, their children won't read. So
Oke.
it's important for parents to be seen to be reading, to
Jadi mek you
encourage their
baca,
children to
mek
read.
mek anak mentong you baca bi. Wong Tuhan harus baca je lah.
Yeah, harus, harus. And you can see that all civilizations have been, that have advanced, have encouraged this reading habit. You can see every child that starts reading early, then they will have that love of reading throughout their life. And by reading early, you're dealing with language, you're dealing with concepts, you're putting the child in a way that will make them read for the rest of their life. So
Hmm.
but it has to start young.